somebody was about to come up here and shoot up the airport. Come with me as I get ready for work in a winter snowstorm. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kimani, K-E-M-A-N-I, without the Y. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to keep up with Kimani. Anytime I post my new video, drop a comment to say what y'all want to see next or what was crazy about this video. All right, let's get into today's video. With me as I get ready for work in a winter storm. Y'all, they keep saying we're gonna have snow. It's gonna be rolled to 25 inches. If I show y'all outside, actually I am gonna show y'all outside because I'm gonna show y'all me walking to the car. It's nothing. It says it's supposed to snow while I'm at work. So if it does get bad, I will be leaving for sure because I gotta get home to my babies. Come with me as I get ready for work in a winter snowstorm. So we had Milo in here earlier and he threw up on me. I'll put a little snippet of it in here somewhere. I mean, right there. But yeah, threw up on me. This is Micah. I'm just washing their face because they haven't had their face washed. He loves when his face get washed.
You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girls. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, yeah, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna give it you right.
The kids have been fed. I'm now about to get into the shower. It is now 8:30. I have to be at work at 10 o'clock. I am going to start getting dressed now. Guys, I'm outside. You can't see it behind me. It's snowing. I said it was 8:30 earlier. Let's see if I'm getting off work early today, but it is coming down a lot harder. It is on my car. It is on my car, but yeah. I'm about to go ahead and, you know, and then going back in the house and get ready and get dressed, okay? Let's take a shower. Got my little eye things on. You know they slipping. Can't ever keep them up. I'm about to just
You could have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you are what I say. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me.
So I'm ready now to go to work. I'm behind. I don't think I have time to stop and get nothing to eat, but I'm gonna still try. Know me. I'll see y'all when I'm at work.
You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine now.
Hey y'all, so I'm at work and Tell me why we got a phone call about 30 minutes ago saying somebody was about to come up here and shoot up the airport. Okay, we had to lock all the doors, so we locked in here, but there's no snow activity going on. There's nothing at all going on. I am training my 2 other co-workers. Hopefully they get to start next week. Y'all, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. I got on my beanie. It's not cold inside the building, but I just got it on the whole shift. But yeah, y'all, they said that they think it was a prank phone call. They still saying be on the lookout, so we're just sitting here with the doors closed. I'm just finishing up my paperwork. I got 2 hours left on my shift. I am closing out all my things that I had opened. I'm about to go home. It's time to go home. It's 5:57 and no snow still yet. This is the ramp. It's not snow on the ground. That's ice. So yeah, pretty much my work day. Nothing too special, but thanks for coming to work with me. Bye.